Hi guys, I had someone ask me to show him the undercarriage of the town car because he saw the review I posted and obviously didn't see it well enough or something. And yeah, I can do that, so I'll show you some pictures just in a second. Before you do that, just walk around it and enjoy the way it looks, because someone also asked what I like about it, and one of the things I like about it is the way it looks. I just do like the classy style, the classy looks of the town car. It's just one of a kind. For me, it's just I don't get tired of it looking at it. Not sure about other people. For some people, it's just an old man's car, which it also is. But for me, it's just a classy sedan, and I really love the looks, and that's why I bought this one back in 2012. When I was looking for one, I saw this one. I thought that's the one I want. Low mileage, the style, everything was just great. Okay, let's look at the let's have a look underneath. Also, the question came up, how does it compare to the Mercedes-Benz I own? It's a 99 S500, and that's a tough one, because I like both, but they're different. They're similar but different. I would say both of them are built pretty solid, but the town car is just great. See, I mean, it looks good, the seats look good. It just looks really good, and the seats are nice and soft. But I want to say though, the Mercedes is built with better material. I mean, you have real leather everywhere, real wood, no fake wood. I would say the Mercedes seats are built better, but the town car seats are softer, and both of them are comfortable, just about the same. So much about that. You got a quiet cabin in both. The Mercedes rides a little more quiet. It has the double pane glass, which helps. But you don't have any rattles in the town car either, so no cheap plastics or rattles. I mean, a lot of it is plastic, but it's not that cheap, rattly kind of plastic, if you know what I mean. Speaking of plastic, the grill though, that's not real chrome. So Mercedes, that is real chrome, the grill. So I wish that would be real. Same as the headlights, but most cars don't have real glass headlights. Mercedes does have real glass headlights. The town car is by far more reliable. Very easy to fix. The parts are cheap. While with Mercedes-Benz you pay a lot more, or you can't get the parts. So much about that. What else is there to say? I'm not sure. The styling, that's just a matter of personal taste, so I don't want to get into that. But also don't forget that this town car cost about half the price than that Mercedes when it was new. So that's one thing to not forget. As for the engine, I do prefer the Mercedes-Benz engine. Not to work on, but to drive it. Has more power, more torque. Just a very smooth V8. So, while this one is good too, it runs decent. It has a decent amount of power. Could have a little bit more. The pro for the Lincoln engine is it's easy to fix too, and it's a lot less expensive to fix it. So that is one good thing. All right, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm sure there will be more questions and more things to talk about town car. Feel free to ask anything you want. See you later.